So this is a message for my fellow teachers. My name is Andrew Tomec, and I'm an Ottawa-based technology educator. I wanted to give you guys the heads up that this morning I'm going to be conducting a little experiment in collaborative video editing, and I'm inviting you guys to join me along for that. We're going to be using WeVideo, which bills itself as the world's largest online video editor. I've been working with it for years. They have a great piece of software that's the closest thing you can get to like iMovie and some of those sophisticated video editors online. So in a couple of minutes, I'm going to be posting another tweet where I'm going to teach you guys how you can join my class and have a look at the footage that I put together. It's just a bunch of footage of me goofing around in my backyard. We're going to be editing it together as a classroom. Kids are going to be able to work on little bits and pieces, isolate the best parts of my footage, and then share it with me so that I can incorporate it into my own version of the movie. And we're going to keep swapping files around like that. It's going to be a really interesting experiment. I've never done this myself before, but I think it's going to be great. It's all happening on YouTube, where I host a live stream every morning at 10 a.m. So I would love it if you guys join me at 10 a.m. and just watched me and even helped me out with the video editing assignment that I'm going to be doing with the kids. My students are about 8 to 12 years old, and I have a group of maybe 15 to 20 of them who will be in the classroom with me working on this. Not all of them will be contributing shared material, but some of them will be very active, and some of them will be connected to my Discord server, and I'll actually be able to talk to them in real time as I live stream this entire thing on Discord and also on YouTube. So consider this your invitation to join my class in this interesting collaborative learning experiment. Everyone's free to join. Just go to my website. It's chromeworks.ca. I have an e-learning page, so that's /e-learning. And from there, you can click on the little button that says join this live stream, and that will take you right to my YouTube page where you can watch the live stream live at 10 a.m. If you can't make 10 a.m., that's great. You can watch the recorded version later. I will be giving you all the instructions you need to get started with WeVideo right on the live stream. So just watch, bring your email account along, and I will get you hooked up with an account and put it into my classroom. Now, this is a deal that WeVideo is offering to all educators. So after you play around with it with me, you might want to speak to John Klein, the head of education at WeVideo, and get him to set you up with an account as well. You can do this with any of your students. Collaborative video editing is a fantastic and cool way to get stuff done. And I will teach your kids how to do it for you. Catch you online, guys.